Hi everybody, it's me again. I'm actually kind of getting back into the swing of things. And today, we're sitting next to the open window, actually sliding door with the screen closed. So you may be hearing birds and you might hear my dogs every once in a while, or my mom's dogs rather. And it's also raining, so you may hear thunder and all that stuff. You may hear like rain. And I'm also at a very squeaky chair, so I apologize for that. Anyway, so what I've got with me today is I've got sushi. It looks like I've got a roll and some nigiri. And then I've also got some kimchi. And I bought all of this at the grocery store. And this sushi is actually really good. I had one of the tuna pieces, as you could see. Yeah, it's pretty good. Anyways, so, oh, I also have, this, which is, ponzu, which is a little, it's like citrus and soy dipping sauce. It's really good. That's the cat. So I do apologize for my, gigantic ass bites. Yeah, let's get off the table. So good. And the sushi rice is really nicely seasoned. And so this sushi is from the company AFC, which is a sushi franchise, and they cater to not restaurants, but like grocery stores and stuff. The particular grocery store that I went to was Safeway. So let's give this kimchi a taste. Little bubbly. Not as crunchy as I would like, but it's still pretty good. So this is, I can't pronounce it. It's S-E-O-U-W. I don't think that's Seoul kimchi. And there's a little bit of thunder there. Also, you might hear a train because there's a train by my mom's house. So there was an option for original and spicy. I got original. So yeah, it's delicious actually. Naturally fermented. One second. To let the dog in. Because it is getting quite rainy outside. Go lay down. Oh boy. And I am using the back of my chopsticks, I just realized. Jasper, go lay down. He's getting a drink of water. I've had this kimchi once before. Absolutely amazing. I really want to make my own kimchi. But I just haven't got around to it yet. I might make a video out of it. It's so good. The fermentation gives it a little bit of a fizz. And then the spicy chilies give it a nice kick. Super good. Mmm. Ooh, the salmon's really good. It does have a little bit of a fishy taste, but salmon is a really strongly flavored fish anyways. So it shouldn't be too bad. Plus, these are really thick pieces. Mmm. That's my husband over there. He's getting chicken. So there's this kind of sauce on it, and I think that's just spicy mayo on the roll. I believe it's just spicy mayo. Maybe not. It's not even spicy. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's spicy mayo. Dip that in the ponzu. Mmm. It's really good. So, yeah, I'm eating from 2 different countries here. I've got Japan over here, and I've got Korea over here. Mmm. Absolutely phenomenal, though. As I said, I've had this kimchi once before, and every time it just blows me away. Mmm. I might have to get more too, because this is really good. It's good for your stomach. It's got lots of natural bacteria and things. So. Mmm. Yep. Mmm. I really recommend everyone try kimchi at least once in their life. It's so good. It's so good. First time I ever had kimchi was probably when my cousins were over. I have cousins. My dad's nephew is he and his wife have adopted a young Korean boy, and so they're really trying to include his home culture into their raising him. And so whenever they come over to our house, they always make Korean food. And first time they were over, or not the first time, but one of the times they were over here. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, got some nice thunder going. One of the times they were over here, they had, excuse me, kimchi with one of the meals. And I tried it, and I didn't like it at first. I thought it was gross. Then I tried it again, and this must have been like a couple years later. And oh my goodness, I bought a whole jar from the grocery store because I was like, I'll try it. It's only a couple bucks. And I actually ended up leaving that jar at a hotel, in the hotel refrigerator where we were staying for a conference. This was with a youth group. So I ended up leaving that jar with at the hotel, and I didn't get to taste it again. But then I bought it again, I want to say like last year or something, and I tried it again. It was actually this brand. It was the last time I tried this, and I really, really liked it, and it's kind of one of my favorite foods now. I love sauerkraut, and I love spicy. And this is basically just spicy sauerkraut with big pieces, made with different cabbage as well. Sauerkraut's made with the big round cabbages, and kimchi's made with Napa cabbage. So, slightly different, but really, really similar. But I think I like kimchi better than sauerkraut. Sauerkraut's a little bit too, it's more of like a vessel for other flavors. But kimchi is really something that you eat on its own. It's delicious. Like I said, the salmon is really strongly flavored. Definitely tastes like salmon. It's good though. You can see a little bit of marbling here. It's delicious. The rain's picking up. Yeah, that salmon's got a nice fat content. And I think that's what's making it so strongly flavored. Because normally if you get salmon that doesn't have a super huge fat content, it's pretty light. Oops. But yeah, but it's still pretty strong. Why'd you close the door?
Because it's raining.
So? It's not being inside the house.
That was my concern.
I like it.
You say, is it Thunders?
So I saw Endgame, like, was it last week?
2 weeks ago?
It was after the wedding. Was it not?
Yeah, before the wedding.
Oh, a couple weeks ago then. Yeah, we just got married like 2 weeks ago, so. Yeah, I'm not a super huge fan of the sauce on this. Jasper, go lay down. He's good as bone. The cat's trying to sharpen his claws on the screen door. Yeah, we've got like a couple succulents and things over here. This is Francis. Is it Francis?
Florence.
Florence, I'm so sorry. Florence, the big tall guy right there. Alright, yeah, this guy. That's Florence. I'm getting a little full. I might have to eat the rest later. It's good ginger. There's wasabi here too, but this video is going to be full of noise. I apologize. I'll post it as non-ASMR. Yeah, I'm getting real full over here. One thing I don't like about this sushi company is they just pack their sushi rolls with avocado. And I'm not a huge fan of avocado, so. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like avocado. I just, not that much. The sushi tastes like avocado. And it's supposed to be a complimentary flavor. Good kimchi. Kimchi's like a really good snack, I think. Like, I could totally just snack on kimchi all day. It's absolutely delicious. I'm full. I'm sorry. The soup. He's got some cheddar broccoli soup. But you better save me some, though.
Like spicy chicken
Oh yeah, and he put chicken pieces in it. It's pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna rest until I can eat some more. I might get some more kimchi. I'm gonna get some more kimchi. 1 second. The phone is leaning on my kimchi jar, so. So when I originally opened the kimchi jar, it had expanded to like a full inch above the top of the jar. And that is because when it ferments, it really fills all the spaces with it fills all the spaces of the cabbage. And it inflates it. So when you open the jar, it expands. And this kimchi is really good, but you can actually leave it in the fridge for a couple weeks and let it ferment some more and give it a richer, or not richer, but more intense flavor. I honestly like it just as it is, but I'm gonna leave the rest in the fridge for a little bit. And this is found in the produce section with like the refrigerated noodles. It was right under the vegan cheese. So good. So good. It just, when you put it in your mouth, it's initially just like that tart, not super vinegary, because I don't think there's vinegar in it. It's just, it's tart. And what kimchi is, like I said, I don't believe there's vinegar in it. It's just salted, and then that's how it's fermented, is with the salt. And it releases all the liquids from the cabbage, and it ferments in its own liquids, and it is just, oh my goodness. So that initial flavor is the tangy fermented flavor, and then when you bite into it, it's kind of bubbly because it's a little bit carbonated because of the fermentation. And then the aftertaste is vegetal, very vegetal. It's yeah, it's good. And then when the spice hits you, it's mainly just a full tongue spice. It's not like the back of the throat or anything. It's like it's warm. It's more warm than hot. It's good. I really recommend eating kimchi cold, because I don't think it would be very good warm. I think it would taste kind of, I don't know, it would taste like it went bad, but I mean it did, because it's fermented, and that's what fermentation is. But I feel like it would not taste like it should. Last piece. So good. So good. Making my mouth all tingly from the spicy. Oh, there's a big old piece of pepper in my teeth. Oh my goodness, that's delicious. Yeah, I would definitely recommend that anyone try kimchi at least once in their life. Just see if you like it. It's really good for you. I honestly think it's a soul food or a comfort food. And So good. And I can't wait to try making it by myself. I'm really excited, so I may make a video out of it, I may not. But anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.